I asked my Gurudev, my Pandit Baba, Pandit Sri Krishna's Babaji Maharaj, I said, what is it we see many exalted glories given about Brajavas? That one who simply lives in Vrindavan says, Alpa Sparsha Bhav Upajay. Mathura Mandala Alpa Sparsha Bhava Upajay. With just a little touch, Alpa Sparsh, same as Hindi, Alpa Sparsha Braj Mandal. With just a slight touch of this Mathura Mandal Brajadam, then Bhav will manifest, Upajay. Bhav will manifest, Bhav will appear. So I said that it's a slight touch, but I've been touching for 30 years, and I don't have any Bhav, I don't have any Prem. So what is my problem? Or why doesn't it? We see so many devotees living here with no Bhav, because it's very rare. Bhav. He said 2 things are required. One must be Dham Nishta, Dham Vas Nishta, and he must be Niraparadi. Niraparadi. Free from all aparads, and that's a big one. And then Dham Nishta. Not like, oh, it's too cold, I leave. It's too hot, I leave. I'm sick, I leave. I have a toothache, I leave. I have a backache, I leave. No, Nishta. So then I said, okay, he said, so because this is the example we see in Das Goswami and all the Goswamis. Once they came here, they never left. Rupa Goswami, Das Goswami lived a fairly long life. He did about 55 years bhajan here. And Krishna's Kaviraj about 65 years. He lived a long time. Many others a long time. So they themselves set the example of bhajan. Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghuyago Srijiva Gopalako Sankhya Purvaka Nama Gana Natabi Kalava Sanikrito.